Italy is located in southern Europe and comprises the long, boot-shaped Italian peninsula, the southern side of Alps, the large plain of the Po Valley and some islands including Sicily and Sardinia. Corsica, although belonging to the Italian geographical region, has been a part of France since 1769. Its total area is 301,340 square kilometers, of which 294,140 square kilometers is land and 7,200 square kilometers is water. It lies between latitudes 35 degrees and 48 degrees north, and longitudes 6 degrees and 19 degrees east. Italy borders with Switzerland, France, Austria and Slovenia. San Marino and Vatican City are enclaves. Including islands, Italy has a coastline of 7,600 kilometers on the Adriatic Sea, Ionian Sea, Tyrrhenian Sea, Ligurian Sea, Sea of Sardinia and Strait of Sicily. Mountains and plains. Almost 40% of the Italian territory is mountainous, with the Alps as the northern boundary and the Apennine Mountains forming the backbone of the peninsula and extending for 1,350 kilometers. In between the two lies a large plain in the valley of the Po, the largest river in Italy, which flows 652 kilometers eastward from the Cotin Alps to the Adriatic. The Po Valley is the largest plain in Italy, with 46,000 square kilometers, and it represents over 70% of the total plain area in the country. The Alpine mountain range is linked with the Apennines with the Col di Cadabonà Pass in the Ligurian Alps. Worldwide known mountains in Italy are Matterhorn, Monte Rosa, Gran Paradiso in the West Alps, and Bernina, Stelvio and Dolomites along the eastern side of the Alps. The highest peak in Italy is Mont Blanc, at 4,810 meters above sea level. Volcanoes. Many elements of the Italian territory are of volcanic origin. Most of the small islands and archipelagos in the south, like Capraia, Ponza, Ischia, Aeolia, Ustica and Pantelleria, are volcanic islands. There are also active volcanoes. Etna, in Sicily, the largest active volcano in Europe, Vulcano, Stromboli, and Vesuvius, near Naples, the only active volcano on mainland Europe. Rivers and seas. Most of Italy's rivers drain either into the Adriatic Sea or into the Tyrrhenian, though the waters from some border municipalities drain into the Black Sea through the basin of the Drava, a tributary of the Danube, and the waters from the Lago di Lei in Lombardy drain into the North Sea through the basin of the Rhine. Maritime claims. Territorial sea, 12 nmi, continental shelf, 200-meter depth or to the depth of exploitation. Lakes. In the north of the country are a number of subalpine moraine-dammed lakes, the largest of which is Garda. Other well-known of these subalpine lakes are Lake Maggiore, whose most northerly section is part of Switzerland, Como, Orta, Lugano, Iseo, Idro. Other notable lakes in the Italian peninsula are Trasimeno, Bolsena, Bracciano, Vico, Varano and Lasina in Gargano and Omodio in Sardinia. Islands. Italy includes several islands. The largest are Sicily 25,708 square kilometers and Sardinia 24,090 square kilometers. The third largest island is Elba, the largest island of the Tuscan archipelago. Latitude and longitude. Northernmost point, Testa Gemella Occidental, Westliches Zwillingskoffel, Prittau, South Tyrol at 47 degrees 5 and 12 degrees 11 E, 47.083 degrees north, 12.183 degrees east, 47.083, 12.183. Southernmost point, Punta Pespada, Lampedusa, Sicily at 35 degrees 29 and 12 degrees 36 E, 35.483 degrees north, 12.600 degrees east, 35.483, 12.600. Capo Spartivento, Palazzi. Calabria at 37 degrees 55, N 15 degrees 59, E 37.917 degrees north, 15.983 degrees east, 37.917, 15.983. Westernmost Point, Rocca Bernarda, Bardonecchia, Piedmont at 45 degrees 6, N 6 degrees 37, E 45.100 degrees north, 6.617 degrees east, 45.100, 6.617. Easternmost Point, Capo di Tranto, or Tranto, Apulia at 40 degrees 6, N 18 degrees 31, E 40.100 degrees north, 18.517 degrees east, 40.100, 18.517. Elevation highest. Mont Blanc, Courmayeur at 45 degrees 50, N 6 degrees 51, E 45.833 degrees north, 6.850 degrees east, 45.833, 6.850. Lowest. Le Containe, Jolanda di Savoie at 44 degrees 53, N 11 degrees 59, E 44.883 degrees north, 11.983 degrees east, 44.883, 11.983. Highest settlement. Trepala, Livigno at 46 degrees 32, N 10 degrees 11, E 46.533 degrees north, 10.183 degrees east, 46.533, 10.183. Land use. Artificial. 4.9%. Agricultural. 52.2% arable land. 27.9% permanent. 7.1% other, 17.2%, wood, 41.4%, wetlands, 0.4%, water, 1.1%, irrigated land 39,510 square kilometers. Total renewable water resources 191.3 cubic kilometers. Freshwater withdrawal total 45.41 cubic kilometers year. Per capita 789.8 cubic meters year. Gallery. Italy's cities and main towns. Astronaut photograph highlighting the nighttime appearance of southern Italy. Southern Italy and Sicily on the 1849 map. Etna, the highest active volcano in Europe. Asinara Island with the Aragonese Tor della Pelosa, Sardinia. The coastal areas of Liguria have a Mediterranean climate. Landscape of Tuscany. Rice paddies in the Po Valley near Vercelli. Marmore Waterfall, the world's tallest man-made waterfall, was created by the ancient Romans. Mount Vesuvius looms over the ruins of Pompeii. Panorama of Venice and its lagoon. The karst plateau drops vertically into the Adriatic Sea near Trieste. Gran Sasso d'Italia, the highest peak of the Apennines. Vineyards in the Montferrat Hills, with the Montvisia in the background. Livigno, the tallest comune of Italy, during winter. The Strait of Messina as seen from mainland. La Canna, rock off the coast of Filicudi. Southern coast of Sardinia. The Po River at Cremona, in a foggy winter day.